Hello all, here we meet again to learn something new. So let's get started. One little bear wondering what to do. Along came another one, and then there were two little bears climbing up a tree. Along came another one, and then there were three little bears found an apple core. Along came another one, and then there were four little bears found some honey in the hive. Along came another one, and then there were five. Look, we made a pattern. A blue bear, an orange bear, a blue bear, an orange bear, a blue bear, and what comes next? An orange bear. Pattern is arrangement of things in a repeated way. Pattern is nothing but a repeated design. To create patterns, we need two or more things. Now, let's learn something more about patterns. So, in order to know more about patterns, the first thing we need to recognize a pattern. Here, we have a cloth. What do I see? I see some red stripes, black stripe, red stripes, black stripe, red stripes, black stripe. I see that these stripes are repeated in this arrangement, and so this cloth has a pattern. After recognizing the pattern, the next step is to describe a pattern. Here we have a strip of paper with colored triangles on it. We have first a blue triangle, a yellow triangle, a blue triangle, a yellow triangle, a blue, and then a yellow. We see that the colors are repeating. Hence, this is a color pattern. After describing a pattern, we go to copy an existing pattern. For that, let's use the same strip of paper with triangles and some triangle cutouts. First, we have a blue triangle. So let's go ahead and grab a blue triangle, yellow, then a blue, and then again a yellow, and then a blue triangle, and at last, the yellow triangle. This is how we copy an existing pattern. After copying an existing pattern, the next step is to know about how to extend a pattern. Here we have a strip of paper with two squares, a circle, two squares and a circle represented on it. Now let's extend this pattern. Repeat them to grow a shape pattern. Put a square, again a square, and a circle. We made a shape pattern. And this is how we extend a pattern. The next step is to create your own pattern. I have some twigs and leaves with me. So let's get started with creating a new pattern. I take a twig, a leaf, and a leaf. Twig, leaf, leaf. So let's repeat this. A twig, leaf, leaf. And then again a twig, leaf, and leaf. Here we go and we made a pattern. Pattern is very vast concept. You can find pattern everywhere around you. You can create patterns with sounds as well. For example, you can clap, snap, tap and create a pattern. So let's do clap, snap, tap. Clap, snap. What comes out of snap? Tap. And you can also create patterns with motions and movements like stand, wave, sit. Stand, wave, sit. And what comes after sit? Stand, wave, sit. Yes. So children, learning patterns instills sense of order, and by working with patterns, you will visualize and understand how things are put together. Working with patterns makes predictions and you can understand what comes next. So children, you can have fun during your snack time by creating your own pattern with food. Here I have some raisins and some potato chips. We know that raisins taste sweet and potato chips taste salty. So let's go ahead and create a pattern of taste like sweet, salty, sweet, salty. We have a raisin, a potato chip, raisin, a potato chip, raisin, and the chips. The pattern goes like sweet, salty, sweet, salty, sweet, salty. Thank you, children. And somebody want to say bye-bye to you all. It's Rolly Rabbit. Bye, children. Have fun patterning. Thank you and take care.